Isolation and loneliness affects every community in Devon, and it's great to come and see what Plymouth are doing, that hopefully we can spread that to other parts of Devon. Loneliness is all around us. It's not an age-related thing either. You know, you can be a youngster, you can be a student here at the university and be quite lonely, or you can be an old-age pensioner, lost your husband, lost your wife, and you're very, very lonely and you don't know where to turn for help. And obviously an event like this tells everybody what is available, and it's getting that message out will be the hardest part, I think.
We're really happy to be here supporting this event that's about promoting solutions to social isolation and loneliness. We're here today is because we can help people with lots of different issues. There is a big problem with isolation and loneliness at the moment, and also these are very difficult times for people. You know, that we've just been through the energy crisis, living costs are really high. It's a stressful time for people.
We had the privilege of co-hosting this amazing event, and the whole idea is that we bring together the community and the community organizations and inspired individuals to think of ways of working together in order to fight social isolation, because it's something that impacts on everybody.
I think isolation can happen because of anything, whether it's a mental health issue, whether it's a family issue, death in the family, it could be anything. And when a person starts isolating themselves indoors, they find it difficult after a time to start going back out again, and it's that difficulty which causes the long-term problem. So these different services are what are out there to help these people to get back out again and enjoy life.
We work with people from really deprived communities, and often we find young people, older people, everybody in the community is feeling isolated in some sort of way. So we deliver different services that bring people together of all ages, whether it's through dance or whether it's through education or whatever it is. We're finding that lots of our service users are finding themselves in situations where they feel lonely, where they feel isolated, and where they just feel like they don't know where to go and who to reach out to. And we're finding that we are becoming that middle ground for them to come and to meet us, to work with other people who are, you know, like-minded, and to meet people, but also for us to signpost them to organisations that can help in different ways as well if we aren't the right organisation.
I work in the diverse communities team. We're based at Charles Cross Police Station, and our role is around community engagement and support for victims of hate crime. Because if somebody is a victim of hate crime, they can be isolated. They might not have many friends or not know many people in the community or in Plymouth, so they may be very isolated already. And then put on top of that, you've been a victim of a crime, then you become even more isolated. You know, you're made to feel different, you're made to feel, you know, that you don't belong.
It's great. I'm thrilled. We're achieving what we set out to do. We're bringing people together, and they are collaborating and they're delivering the different solutions, and this is what it's all about. If the end result is all that matters, and it's only going to happen by everyone working together, and the community has got to work together, and people have got to keep their eyes open and have got to see what's going on, know the people in their road who might need help.
Instead of, counseling someone or treating someone for the effects of it, why don't we prevent it from happening in the first instance? The two events we worked with before made tremendous progress. Over 100 events, 900 members, completely free. And that's the progress.